Coming soon to your radio, a voice, a vision, a platform for the people.
This one are the one we go ginger your spirit and uplift your soul. It Orlando.
This is the voice of my people, broadcasting live on Love 97.7 FM Port Harcourt every week for 45 powerful minutes.
Celebrating Igbo excellence, empowering the people and changing the narrative.
From Abia to Anambra, Ebonyi to Enugu, down to Imo. If you dare River State, this one now your own on top radio.
We go bring to you inspiring stories, promote your business and uplift your spirit. For advert and sponsorship, call 081-0460-4455 or email us at thevoiceofthepeople@gmail.com.
The voice of my people, one voice, one destiny. Hosted by Emmanuel Anya. Join us, support us. Let's tell our stories.
The voice of my people.
It is sweet to hear. Coming soon to your radio, a voice, a vision, a platform for the people.
This one are the one we go ginger your spirit and uplift your soul. It Orlando.
This is the voice of my people, broadcasting live on Love 97.7 FM Port Harcourt.